Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku. In today's additional of Thursday, May the 21st, 2024, and I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 8588. Here, 8588. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 13 printed digits. Well, let me tell you, the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one is 13. Should be an easy one, but it's indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always one. I see only one single box. Always a one. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Let me scan for dual boxes. Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes here. How about triple boxes? I see here a triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Let me mark those 2 and the 3. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or 5. You have more? Here, another one. Well, I cannot fill those numbers, but the inside box is always 4 or a 5. We have a 4 there, so it can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. 4 or a 5, we have a 5 here in the same area, so this box should be a 4. Alright, more here. Well, these two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2, and this triple box should be here. So the 1 and 3 are left. And the inside box should be 4 or 5. Okay. Here, another one. Well, this box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. But the inside box is always 4 or a 5. Alright. Then, the following question, do we have here quadra boxes? Let me scan. For quadra boxes, no quadra boxes here. Then my following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have the T shape upside down. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Oh, my red pencil is empty. And that box has the same number as this box. And that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Need to find another red pencil. Red pencil! Come on. Let me have here. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. And here we have also a T shape. This is also empty here. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Alright? In this case, it's a 4 here. And I've marked this box with 4 or 5. We have a 4 now, so this box should be a 5. Alright, more T shapes? Nope. Then the following shape. How about the L shape here? Let me draw the L shape here. Where you see the L shape? Remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. And we have more L shapes here. Another L shape upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. two L shapes. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one rotated. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Oh, this is also empty. Empty. Yeah, can throw that away. So this box is the same number as that box. And here we have another one. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Well, let me see. This box can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 there. That means that box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here, and the 3 goes there. Is connected with that box, so we saw 3. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1. Okay, and now. This box can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. That means that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 in this area could be here, could be there. Well. Complicated. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. And this box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 3, so the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair, so 1 digit left. In this area for number 5 is connected with that box, so we saw 5 is connected with this box, should be also 5, and is also connected with that box, should be also a 5. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 1 there. Because if I place 1 here, this box is connected with that box, so we saw 1, but we already have 1 there, so not the solution, place the 1 there. The only place left 1 should be here. Alright, this is connected with each other. 2 and a 3, yeah, 2 and a 3. So we need a 4 there. With a double 4 there. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 3. Need a 2 here. Need a 2. Well. This box cannot be 1 or a 3. We have a double 1 there, double 3 there. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 4. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this triple box should be there. Two numbers left for numbers 1 and 3, 1 and 3. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah, I need to think here. Well, these are 3 boxes. So around the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. The 1 is supposed to be here. And the 3 goes and there. 1 and 2, we have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 2 goes and there. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 3, but also those 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 3, those 2 boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So the only place left for 3 in this triple box. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left, the 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. And those 2 boxes can be 1. And this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. And I've eliminated 2. So the 2 should be there. Alright. This box can, oh, wait. Mark those 2 boxes just with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box will be a 1. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes surround the 5 can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for the 3, numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Is connected with that box, so we saw 4. Then I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 to 5, 2 to 5 is connected with that box, so it's 2 to 5. So need a 4 here. Well, this box can be 2. We have a 2 there. So the 2 should be one of those 2 boxes. Well, I cannot place the 2 here because we have a double 2 there. So the only place left for 2 should be here then. Of course, those 2 boxes can be 2. Okay. 2 to 5, we have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area. For numbers 4 to 5, 4 to 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. This box can be 5. This box can be 3. So 5 and the 3 goes together as a pair. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left on the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. But also that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 to 5. 4 to 5 is connected with that box. So 4 to 5. Here we have a pair of 4 to 5. So the other pair should be the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. Here can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So not the solution place the 1 there. The only place left for 1 should be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and the 3. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those boxes. So this box should be a 5. Is connected with that box, so we so 5. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 4 or a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box should be a 4. Alright. I think this box should be 2. Because give me 1, should be 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 3 goes there. Is connected in that box, should be also 2. 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 4 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes and there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left of the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here, and I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 3 and a 4. We have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes and there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Same numbers, 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Final number in this area for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Finishing for 15 minutes. Well, not faster than 50 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1 star. Let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah, give this a 2 stars. And I'm well pleased with time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. We'll meet again tomorrow. Last working day on Friday. So have a great and fantastic Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.